Hi all, welcome to OIT speaking class. Today we can discuss an OIT role play. Here the setting health check clinic. A 50-year-old man came to the clinic for regular health checkup. Your doctor has ordered to take blood sample from him and your patient is with high blood pressure. Task: ask about the patient's reason of referral. Explain 3 features of a blood sample which may give a clearer idea of the condition. Reassure him about possibility of treating his likely condition, whatever it is. Here the setting is a health check clinic and the patient details is with you. So you know the patient. However, we need to confirm whether we are dealing the right patient. So we can start our conversation by saying, "Good morning, please have your seat." Then you can continue, "My name is Sarah. I am one of the registered nurses working in this clinic. How may I address you?" Here the name is Mr. John. Then you can continue your conversation by saying, "Mr. John, what brings you here today?" Or you can ask, "How may I assist you today?" Then he might be telling you like, "Sister, I'm here for the routine health checkup and my doctor has referred me for blood test." That time we can say like this, "Of course, I have your notes with me and you are at the right place, Mr. John. Before proceeding, can I ask you something related to your condition? Is that okay?" Then you can ask questions like, "Mr. John, do you have any other problem?" Or you can ask, "Mr. John, do you have any other medical issues?" Probably he might tell you, "My doctor has told me I have increased blood pressure level." "I don't know, sister, how it happened. This is my first time. And my blood pressure was normal before." In that situation, we need to reassure the patient. We can say, "Mr. John, I know how you must be feeling. Try not to be worried. There is nothing to be alarmed. And the doctor has ordered a blood test to know what's causing this problem because high blood pressure can be a symptom of many medical conditions. Once we get the blood result back, we will have a clear idea of your condition and we can treat according to that. Is that clear?" Probably he may ask you questions like, "Sister, could you please tell me about the features of blood which is related to high blood pressure?" In that situation, we need to explain which all component of blood we are looking for. You can say like this, "Mr. John, I can see you are really concerned about your condition. Don't worry, I can explain you everything in detail. Now I am going to explain about some possibilities. The blood test can tell us your blood cholesterol and electrolyte levels." Then we can ask questions like, "Have you heard about cholesterol?" Then he may reply like he don't know about cholesterol. If he know about cholesterol, no need to explain more. If he doesn't know about cholesterol, we need to explain about that. And tell like this, "Cholesterol is a fat-like substance in our blood vessels. If the cholesterol level is higher than the normal, it means more cholesterol in your blood circulation. In this situation, cholesterol is easily deposited on the lining of the blood vessel, which causes hardening of blood vessels. Once the blood vessels lose its elasticity to some extent, the blood pressure will go up." Are you following me? Then he may ask you like, "Sister, could you please explain about another possibilities?" Then you can tell like this, "In this blood test, we are also looking for the level of electrolytes, which is a component of blood. You know, Mr. John, kidneys are the major organs to balance blood electrolyte levels. If this level is high, the doctor may order further tests to determine the problems with the kidneys." Is that clear? After that, you can explain about one more feature. And the feature we are looking for is the level of certain hormones. There are number of hormones that regulate our blood pressure. If you find out the exact cause of your increase in blood pressure, that will be really helpful for the treatment. Are you following me? Then probably he may ask you questions like the possibility of treating his condition, whatever it is. At that time, we need to reassure him. You can say, Mr. John, I assure you that we can effectively treat these all conditions with the help of medication. In order to find out the exact cause, it's really important to do this blood test. Is that clear? You know, Mr. John, early detection gives you the best chance for getting the right treatment quickly and avoiding any complications. If we don't know what's the exact reason, we cannot treat it effectively. Is that clear? Then you can ask questions like, do you have any other concerns? Then probably he may ask you like, sister, when will be the results available? So we can say the results will be available tomorrow. Is that okay if I arrange an appointment tomorrow same time for the result? Then probably he will agree with you. Then you can continue your conversation by saying, I hope I have cleared all your concerns. Now I'm going to collect blood sample from your arm. Is that okay? Probably he will agree with you. Sometimes he may ask you, sister, is it painful? Then you can say, Mr. John, there won't be much pain. It's only a manageable pain. For the sake of your health, it's really important to do this blood test. Is that clear? Then you can take blood so that you can make a pause. Then you can continue your conversation by saying, thank you, Mr. John, for your cooperation. Once again, I assure you that you will be alright if you follow our instructions. Okay, Mr. John, see you tomorrow.